I'd like to talk in general terms about why implants are so beneficial. Why do we get so excited about implants? You hear about them all the time. Implants are the first time that we've actually been able to replace a missing tooth, as if it were a new tooth. That's what's really exciting. We no longer have to condemn somebody to something that comes in and out of their mouth, where they have to chew with something that gets food underneath it and so on. An implant is like getting your tooth back. Sometimes people will come in and what their goal really truly is to achieve what they used to have some years ago. And what they mean by that is they want to be able to chew as if their teeth were just 100% natural, even though they no longer have them. The great news about dental implants is that we're able to achieve that goal that they have. We're able to put in multiple individual implants. We can restore them in two different ways. One is individual crowns on each implant so that each tooth is as if they had a single tooth in their mouth. Or we can also achieve something very similar. It's called a hybrid implant restoration, where the restoration is screwed into the person's mouth so that it cannot come out, and they're able to have the function of natural teeth that way. We're very fortunate to be able to practice dentistry at a time when we can offer such extraordinarily wonderful solutions to many people's concerns and problems. Whether or not it's an aesthetic concern, how your smile looks, how your teeth are functioning, whether or not you're able to eat properly, we have solutions. Oftentimes those solutions do involve implants. And if you think you might be interested in coming in to talk with us about whether or not you might be a good candidate for implant solutions, please call us and set up a consultation visit. We look forward to meeting you and helping you achieve your goals.